So, starting ya. Action. Welcome to the weather news. My name is Will Guyett. A mighty soft day in most places today. Trying to rain, then turning fierce, dirty. But afternoon, if you can see the mountain, it's going to rain. If you can't, it's already raining. Dry rain will turn to wet rain, then pissing near the north and east coasts, and becoming a bull rain in the west with some bucketing near Galway. 'Tis the day for washing, not the drying. Not the day of children and not the day for thatching. It's down for the day in most places, a cat day, only a day for the fire, a scalper, a real mucky one. Expect sheets of rain over the Midlands and the heavens will open in Ulster. Fine weather for ducks in all of Ireland. Soon they'll be plucking the geese in Connacht. After that it will stay dirty with a little brightening around the day after. But then more bad weather for the bag and lively, messy days, and after that into the weekend. Not one for the hay and 10-day forecast. It would be a lovely country if it had a roof.